Hello gang, coming to you from the British Virgin Islands. Last week I was in Death Valley. Shameless promotion for that trip from Death Valley right up there. Push that and you can see the video. But now we're in the British Virgin Islands. A lot of swimming, a lot of snorkeling. And by the way, hit the subscribe button if you will. And then you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. You can hit a thumbs up, I appreciate that. Make a comment, I'll answer every comment. Hope you enjoy the BVI with the kids and the cousins. Where are we going? I don't know. Where are we going? We're going to the baths. Whoa! A gorgeous, gorgeous day for the baths, isn't it? So we took the dinghy, tied it up, and swam in. Now we're gonna go find caves. There's a bar over there, Randy.
I'm about it.
I'm gonna have to get on my knees to get through that. Oh my God. Oh look, we're our little cave.
Our own private bath.
What are you finding?
Oh, like stuff.
What?
She thinks there's a sea cucumber in there.
Oh. You look pretty glowy right now. What do you think, Bill?
I love it, man. Nothing better.
Are you taking pictures?
I think I could fit this.
Oh really?
Oh, it's kind of rocky. You little worm.
You cannot get through there.
Okay. Look, she's already through.
Make sure you come through with your bathing suit.
Oh no, I can definitely do it.
Oh, she did it. Where are we going now? And of course she got through there.
Yeah. Put your back into it, old man.
You kind of surfed in.
I can't believe I nailed. Oh my God! Put your head.
Oh, Matthew, the champion of getting on. Well, we went to the baths. The boys are back there cussing. Megan got a rock in her foot. My phone got wet and died. But it was a great time, yeah?
Yeah!
So now we're going to Leverick Bay for the evening. There's a barbecue there tonight. We'll see what kind of trouble we can get into. The water could not be more calm. It's nice and clear. Very smooth day.
I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your
I'm not doing that. No.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
With the sunset behind me, loading up for Leverick Bay dinner. Did you get in okay?
Yes.
Okay. Are you happy? So happy. So kind of got up late this morning. We drank a lot last night. Kind of bonded. All the cousins haven't been together in years, so that was kind of fun. We've had a water problem on board, so we had to wait for Marine Max technicians to kind of come over and fix our water problem, which they did. They found a little leak, which is never good. We stayed up too late, so everybody's kind of dragging, but we're making our way to Anegada, and there we're gonna scooter, eat some lobster. It's another beautiful day. Seas are 1 foot maybe. Smooth sailing. Great. Momo, this is Anegada. So we're gonna get some scooters, and we have to remember to drive on the left-hand side of the road. This island is very flat, no hills, no mountains, so it's easy to scooter on, and beautiful beaches. Hello. Hey. We're going to Calwreck Beach. Hopefully we'll make it alive. We've been on some beaches in our time, haven't we?
This one doesn't suck.
This is like the chillest place ever. So, are we crawling all the way to the other side of the island? Is that what we're doing? Happy?
Very happy.
My goal for all kiddos to be happy.
I know. Big bang boom. Big bang boom.
It's not Big Bang Boom. We're gonna go to Big Bamboo first. This is Big Bamboo. It's a lovely restaurant and bar right on the beach. And yes, everything's blue. That's pretty good. That's really good. Big Bamboo. Come on, girl.
So graceful. Must be graceful. No. Like catch a balance. You're like tap out like once I get ready. Oh. It's like halfway. Oh! Does that hurt your feet? Oh! Determination! Woohoo!
Well, look at you.
Hi.
It is raining, and I'm on a scooter. I need windshield wipers on my sunglasses. And very Bombay on this road. Nothing like a nice rainy ride. Girls took a taxi. We're on the bike. From Death Valley boroughs to Anegada Caribbean boroughs. These guys are much nicer.